Good morning to all. I am Dr. M. Mariraj, Department of Botany, Sri Kaliswari College, Sivakasi. Today I am going to talk about SPSS. SPSS is a statistical tools. This is a statistical package for the social sciences. SPSS, the full form of abbreviation is Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. SPSS is a comprehensive and flexible statistical analysis tools and it is used for the data management solution. This SPSS is developed by the IBM company. The SPSS is computer program used to survey, authoring, deployment, data mining, text analytics, statistical analysis and collaboration and deployment. Next, SPSS can take data from almost any type of files from Excel or Word and other source from the computer. Then generate tabulated reports. Then we are calculating the algorithms to develop the result and output results also. We develop the final presentation format, the chart files, chart diagram, pie chart, plot chart and distributions and trends lines and descriptive statistics and conduct complex and statistical analysis. SPSS is among the most widely used programs for the statistical analysis in the social science. It is the most widely used program for statistical analysis. All over the world, most of the scientists and researchers and data managements and data analytics are using the SPSS. This SPSS software is very accurate and all over the world are accepted this accuracy. It is developed by the Norman H. Nee and C. Hadley Hull of IBM Corporation in the year of 1968. It is compatible with Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac operating system. All the computer operating systems are used by this software statistical analyst. SPSS is among the most widely used program for statistical analysis in social science. This IBM Corporation company is developed further update year by year and to develop to the upgrades. Next, this SPSS software are used in the various fields in the world. This used in mostly is telecommunications, banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, consumer packaged goods, higher education, government and market research. The features of SPSS. It is very easy to learn and use is very easy. It includes a full range of data to calculate is very easily and management system and editing tools is available in this SPSS software. It provides in-depth and statistical capability. The maximum number of all the calculations and statistical tools are available in the one SPSS package. It offers to complete the plotting, reporting and presentation features also. Final result, output result, we creating the presentation format, our plotting style, chart style, tabular form and presentation features. Next, getting data into SPSS. This is a very good point from the SPSS. Creating new SPSS data files, the data entry. Then open any existing SPS system files to old file we are taking from import to old file. Then importing data from the another source files and importing data from other file format from the computer, Excel, Word and tabular format data we are importing to analyze this statistical package. Next, entering data. Then also we are easily to entering this data view in the SPS software. Then a data editor also available in the simple and efficient spreadsheet like facility entering data, browsing the working data file. Then window display the content of the data file on one can create new data files, modify existing ones. Next, the editor provides the two views of data view, another one is variable. Display the actual data values are displayed in the data view. All the data we are enter in the data view. Then we are going to the variable view. Display the variable definition information include the different variable and value labels and data types we are adding the variable view. Next, text output editor, text output not displayed in private files can be modified with the text output editor and chart editor also available. High resolution charts and plots can be modified in chart windows. Then variables. Variables in user define the name or particular type of data. We are giving the labels to the variable view. Next, type of variables we are using in the SPS software. First one is numeric, comma, dot, scientific notation, and take and custom currency and style. These are the we are based on our preference. We are giving the data labels. Next, basic steps of data analysis. We are next go to the analysis. We can previously saved a SPS data file and read the spreadsheet and editing the viewing the data. And next we are going to the analysis. Select the procedure from the means, calculate the statistic and create a chart by the analysis. Select the variable for the analysis. Variables in the data file displayed in the dialog box and the procedure result are displayed in the viewer. Whatever format we need, that format we giving. Then the final result will show in the tabular form and a pie chart or a bar chart or line chart or any other format. Statistical precision. This is a very important point. This SPSS, what are the features, statistical features from present in the SPSS? Mostly of the statistical calculation also present in the SPSS. As well as reports format, descriptive statistics, custom tables, compare means and general linear model, correlation, regression, log linear, classify, data reduction, scale, non-parametric test, time series, survival and multiple response. These are the final result. We are displaying the bar chart. These are all the data we are input in the SPSS and label it in the variable view. Then the final result we are get from the SPSS in the bar chart diagram. This is very useful for the presentations and for the final result. This is the line chart for the output of the result from the SPSS. Then this is the area chart also final result. This is a very good view of area chart. Then pie chart and comprehensive bar chart also available. Box plot also available. This is the pie chart of final result from the SPSS. Then box plot, then parity chart, then point plot, then QQ plot. This is the time series. Cross correlations. Next, advantages of SPS. SPSS offer the user friendliness that is very easy to learn and analyze this SPSS software. Then we are catching from all the data from the computer, from the Excel and Word and other format file. Can easily import the SPSS files. Next, disadvantage for the academic use, SPSS logs notably begin the SAS, and or even the programs that are on the modern mathematical statistical tools. Now this SPSS is not modern statistical tools. In many offerings, typically the most basics of analysis sometimes are lacking even then. So basics of analysis only pursued in the SPS. It makes to do inappropriate analysis very easy. It is expensive, sometimes ridiculously so. Why the software is very expensive. There are often compatible issues with period. Thank you all.